Mountain Island Lake, North Carolina pressure washing. If you are in need of expert pressure washing in Mountain Island Lake, North Carolina, this video breaks down everything you need to know about selecting a trusted contractor, understanding the process, and maximizing results for your property. Our team takes pride in making sure your home's exterior is safe and clean for you and your family to enjoy, especially after a long summer at Mountain Island Lake, North Carolina. We also offer special services like algae removal, graffiti cleaning, and siding washing, helping maintain the value of your investment and keeping your community looking great. At Mountain Island Lake, North Carolina, we know that a clean exterior not only enhances your property value, but also helps protect your investment from costly repairs down the line. When it comes to pressure washing, our team uses state-of-the-art equipment and eco-friendly cleaning solutions that are safe for most surfaces, including wood, vinyl, and metal. Regular pressure washing is especially important around Mountain Island Lake, North Carolina, where debris and algae can quickly accumulate in the water. By keeping your property clean, you're helping to keep our lake healthy too. Not only do we power wash decks and patios to remove dirt and grime, but we also carefully clean stairs, railings, and other areas that are prone to heavy foot traffic. By using specialized cleaning solutions for oil-based stains, mildew, and mold, our team can effectively restore your home's exterior without damaging the surfaces or harming the environment. Our team takes pride in serving Mountain Island Lake, NC, and its surrounding communities, ensuring our pressure washing services meet the unique needs of local homeowners. Regular maintenance is crucial for property values and curb appeal around Mountain Island Lake, North Carolina, where outdoor living spaces are a significant part of daily life. We understand that everyone has different concerns when it comes to pressure washing their homes or businesses in North Carolina's climate, which can cause damage if not done correctly. At Mountain Island Lake, NC, we're committed to providing reliable pressure washing services that help homeowners and property managers maintain clean properties without breaking the bank. Pressure washing can also be a cost-effective way for lakefront property owners to protect their investment by removing dirt and grime before it becomes major issues and requires more extensive repairs. Our team has been serving Mountain Island Lake, North Carolina residents for years, building strong relationships and a reputation for trustworthiness and reliability in the community. With experience comes expertise, and our team's pressure washing services are designed to tackle even the toughest lakefront properties, leaving them looking clean and well-maintained. We're dedicated to providing top-notch service at affordable prices, making it easy for local residents to take care of their homes without breaking the bank or sacrificing quality. Our team is dedicated to making Mountain Island Lake, NC shine, and we use state-of-the-art equipment to ensure a safe and effective pressure washing experience for all our customers. We take pride in being environmentally friendly, using eco-safe cleaning solutions that won't harm your lake's ecosystem or the surrounding wildlife that call it home every day. From residential homes to commercial properties, including boat docks and marinas, we provide customized pressure washing services tailored to meet the unique needs of each property owner. Pressure washing removes dirt and grime from surfaces, restoring their original appearance and extending their lifespan, saving homeowners time and money in the long run. If you are looking for pressure washing in Mountain Island Lake, North Carolina, woodiesnc.com can provide free estimates, flexible scheduling, and tailored cleaning solutions for homes and businesses. Click the link below to learn more